Alright, this is our final big project around the house before we leave. Several limbs were just way too close to the house, so we had those removed. And then we had some removed to open up the view here. We had a crew of about 8 or 9 guys that came in one day and just really were super professional, quick. You can see all of the chips go flying off the side of the mountain there. And that helped them out, and it helped us out with the pricing. What we found out from our neighbors is that no one's been in this property for more than 7 years, so it really needed this preventive maintenance.
Well, we are trying to wrap up as much as we can before we start our adventure cruising. Here Steve is adding a couple towel racks, a hand towel holder. We're just trying to get it ready for when we do start having guests. All my friends, you better start planning. Maybe by July, we'll be ready to roll with the bedroom as well. But we just wanted to share, clean it up, add a little decoration, some towels, all the things. How'd you get this so dirty? It's brand new. All right, construction dust at its finest. You know what that is? That's my food timer for dinner.
Uh-oh, I better get that.
Oh, wait a minute. Well, this is as good as she's gonna get because we leave in less than 48 hours for cruising. We just wanted to get her far enough along. Out of all the projects we've done, this has been the longest and most complicated of all. So, just a few decorations. I still want to get maybe a rug, something for the back wall, probably some new towels, all the things. But she will do good enough. I think Steve did a tremendous job. Floors are nice and clean. Well, hey friends, we are on the road. We wrapped up the best we could, all of the remodeling, and now we flew from North Carolina to Florida yesterday, and now we're continuing in a rental car. We're headed to Lakeland to pick up all of our travel gear for the Camino. Remember, we're hiking that after our 5 weeks of cruising. We're doing the French way, if you're familiar with Camino de Santiago. And we're super excited. Boy, do we need a cruise more than ever. Steve's been working his little tail off remodeling, and can't wait to get these group cruises going and started and having some R&R and traveling the world. What do you think, Fran?
Yes, I'm ready for a break. I've gotten poison ivy here lately, so I'm on a little bit of medicine to get rid of that. My hands aren't cracked anymore, so I'm happy for a little bit of humidity to heal my hands. And but yeah, I'm excited to start traveling again.
Oh, and we both have shorts on today for the first time. Woohoo! So excited.
Well, here's our travel route. We flew from Asheville south down through Georgia and to Orlando. From there, we rented a car and headed over to Lakeland to get our belongings, and down 27 to Fort Lauderdale. Really, really easy trip.
Yesterday's gone, yesterday's gone, so don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop.
We are at Grumpy Gary's here in Fort Lauderdale, right on the marina. Live music, and we're having a great time. Wish you were here.
Well, we took an Uber from the La Meridian Hotel there in Dania Beach. It's only about 10 minutes or so away from the port, so nice, quick, easy Uber. Look at that beautiful Disney ship. I'm so glad they came out after our daughter was kind of older because, whoo, are they expensive to cruise on. I'd love to do it, maybe if they ever offered an adult-only one. And here is the beautiful Sun Princess. We're so excited for our 15-day crossing. We heard there are 4,086 passengers aboard for this crossing. Here we go. We're boarding the beautiful Sun Princess. She was built in 2024. She's 177,000 gross tons. She has 20 decks and 2,162 cabins. Look at this amazing space for kids. I'm glad it's empty. Gotta love Princess. I absolutely love this new style of elevator. It's amazing. So say you want to go to deck 10, you push 10 from the outside and it'll say, go to elevator C, and it will only go there. So that's new on the Sun Princess. You push what floor you're going to on the outside of the elevator before even entering. So, wow. It really helps with overcrowding and hard to get elevators. It makes a huge difference. Well done.
All right, a very good afternoon. It is our opening day here on the Sun Princess, and they have Heineken on draft. What a lovely beer. Let's give it a shot. Oh, ice cold here in the Princess Live Theater. One more. Oh yeah, the nice little bitterness right there at the end. I forgot how good Heinekens are. I've had a few of these in my younger ages, and I'm going to give this one a 8.25. Cheers, friends.
The dome on the Sun Princess is the first true glass-enclosed, multi-level geodesic dome on a cruise ship inspired by Santorini's terraces.
We are departing Fort Lauderdale here, and we are headed to
Tenerife.
Santa Cruz de Tenerife, and we are excited for this Atlantic crossing. All right, fried brie, let's give it a try.
Thank you.
Looks like a little cranberry sauce here. Thank you.
Would you like to have some cracked pepper on this? Yes, please.
Lovely, creamy. Little hint of sweetness from the cranberry sauce. This one's A-okay. All right, braised ribs. Let's give this one a shot. Ooh, it is tender.
Oh, way too much. Especially with the steam.
Very tasty and tender. This one's an A+.
What kind of drinks would you like, ma'am?
All right, sugar-free desserts. Let's see how this one is. It's the lemon pie. Lemon pie. Let's give it a shot.
Yes.
It feels sugar-free. You know, sugar-free desserts are kind of on a different level. How about like 5.5? Not bad. 5.5. All right, morning one, and here is my delicious breakfast. I may have gone a little overboard, but it's okay. It's day one, right?
We are back in the climate-controlled space of the Dome for daytime entertainment. Today it was animal trivia, and it was probably the hardest music trivia we've ever participated in, and this time we did not win.
And the food carving demonstration, how many of you out there like to watch these?
For different reasons, they use the bigger knife, which is what we see here. Does you guys have a look at
Zumba, anyone? You'll find me there every morning at 9:15. Head on over to Facebook and Instagram at Midlife Cruising, and you can see daily updates from the Sun Princess.
Well, thanks for coming along.
Remember, like, subscribe, comment, all the things. And until next time, bye friends.